Introducing the world's first YZE motherfucker. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Mikey Will here. Hold on, let me get down a little better in the shot. You feel me? Alright, hey, what's up? If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's a big build coming up. This is a YZ125 1996. About to make this thing electric. Hold up, let me show you guys what I had to go through to get this thing real quick. Let's run that back. I'm gonna take it back real quick. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh wait, must be in back there. You in the wrong house? I don't know. Getting this bike today, guys. Yo. Hype. What up, man?
How you doing? Mike.
Man. What's good, my bad? I'm Mike.
Tyler, nice to meet you.
Come in. Go.
Nice to meet you.
Let's do it.
Back all. Yeah, I was just everything's over here. You can look through everything.
Yeah.
It's all like brand new parts. It's all. I mean, granted, stuff's been sitting since like Christmas or whatever, but
It's all good.
like this is all new motor seals for it because they never showed up the first time I ordered them, so I ordered them again, and then both of them showed up. Like I got a bunch of gaskets for it. I'm more over there. The clutch is over there still.
Do you have like an extra box for this?
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. That one, and you can take both of those video.
The truck, because I want a house, but I can't afford a nice new truck right now. I was like, 16 grand, I'll take it.
Watch this fall off. Oh yeah.
Just keep a hand on it real quick.
Wait.
I was gonna say, it probably weighs like 45, 50 pounds.
Yeah, originally I kind of wanted an 85, but then like I was like, I kind of weigh a little bit now, so like an 80, yeah, like you know, like it's gonna sink down too much. So I was like, you know what, let's go to 125. That's probably swag. Yeah, guys, the new, it's not really new, but 96. Why is he 85? Not like it's 125.
125. Alright, run ahead and hold on to it again.
Yeah,
Behind me or something.
Yeah. That thing is wild. It's crazy how he gave me a box full of parts I ain't even gonna use. Alright, we back. So, what we did with this thing, well, I didn't do anything to this thing. I just got this thing like literally like yesterday. This thing's obviously just rolling chassis. Everything's pretty good. Frame doesn't look cracked or anything like that. Everything like checked out. Obviously, we're gonna either change out the calipers because they look pretty bad. I know the back one looks pretty crusty. I'm not sure if it's just grime or what, but it definitely needs some work. The sprocket is definitely chuffed. All right, so this thing needs a little bit of work. New rotor, because that thing looks pretty crusty too. But this thing has potential. Obviously, don't worry about the crazy looking gas tank and the seat not on. Like nothing's connected at all in the slightest bit, guys. But we got some crazy stuff. Hold, let me grab the electric stuff real quick. Alright, so right here in this box is a motor, a speed controller, and throttle, voltmeter, everything I'm gonna need to get this bad boy on the road, on the dirt. You feel me? I mean say road. So I'm gonna open this thing up so I can show you guys what's really good. I know it's a little loud. I think trucks and stuff going by and people coming home from work, people mowing the lawn, so don't worry about that. But yeah, we're gonna show you what's really good. I'm not gonna be able to install this tonight. But this will get installed very shortly, and this bike will come to life soon enough. Just need a battery, and we're good to go. Feel me? Doesn't really need much. Well, needs a couple things. Needs a little bit of the tightening up, but for the most part, there's a lot of big areas in here that you can fit a battery. So hopefully get a nice waterproof box and get that cracking this time. I know if you guys haven't already seen some of my other videos, I have the electric ATV. Go check out some of those videos. Yeah, good stuff. But this one, I'm hyped to get it because 4 wheels is a little bit different because like you use a lot more power up front. So like I want to see what it's gonna be like with 2 wheels, you know, and like only 1 wheel catching it from the sprocket. The thing is probably gonna fly. So hold on, let's get into this box real quick. So before we like do anything else, I got these metal brackets for the motor. These are custom made for the motor I have. I'll show you when I open up the box. But it's just gonna be like, I don't know how we're gonna do it. I didn't even draw up a map and a design in my head yet. But we're gonna work through it together, YouTube. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright, but now let's get into this box. Gonna cut this open. Bop. Bop. Alright. Yeah, guys, this setup is brought to you by Electro and Company. Definitely check out their website. Definitely check out their stuff. They're always helping me out when I need help. So definitely check out their stuff. But I'll give you guys the first real look at everything. Hold on, let's get up in there. Yeah, see that nice 250 amp speed control. That's a big boy right there. Hold on, let's take that out of the box real quick so you guys can really see what's going on. Go blow. You feel me? Go blow. Yes, sir. A little 400 amp fuse. Looks like. I don't know what that is. That's new. I never. They said that, and that's pretty sick. I like that. You got your cables and stuff. Yes, sir. Cables and stuff. You need those because these connect to here and all the good stuff. You know what I'm saying? That connects to the main port and da. But voltmeter, you need that. You feel me? All right. Now this is the part you've all been waiting for. Shoot the motor. Alright guys, I'm not gonna take it out of the box because it's kind of big and heavy. I don't even feel like taking it out of the box to even show you guys what's good. But in the build process, definitely it'll obviously be out of the box, and I'll take more videos and explain about it a little bit more. This is a QS90H motor brought to you by Electro & Co. They didn't build it. They didn't build the motor, but they sourced it, and this is what comes in the kit when you guys buy it. So make sure you check out this stuff. That's super well maintained right there. You feel me? All right, so hold on, let me repackage this up real quick. This got to go back inside. I don't know. All right. Let's put those motor mounts in here too. All right, guys. Yeah, as always, guys, make sure you stay tuned. More content coming soon. I can't wait to get on this thing. Can't wait to see how this thing rides, wheelies, everything. So make sure you guys, I don't know what you guys want to do. Come back. You feel me? Come back. I'm just going to say it like that. Come back, please. Please. Peace.